Okay, hello, greetings and welcome. So this next video is on the Tai Chi's relationship between sticking and listening. Now, normally you'll train sticking first and then listening, and then it comes interpreting. Now, the reason why this order is there is that if we look at it from a Hermetic view, thank you. If we look at it from a Hermetic view, there's three bodies: mental body, upper dantian center of gravity; astral body has a middle dantian center of gravity; and physical body. These bodies are bound together by the mental and astral matrix. So there's a magnetic fluid between the upper and middle dantian, and there's a magnetic fluid between the bodies of the middle and lower dantian. And these fluids are magnetic in nature, and they bind the bodies together. When you touch someone, in order for you to have a sensory feedback, you need to connect or make a bridge into that person. It requires a mental astral matrix of sorts. So sticking energy is a magnetic fluid which binds you to an object or to a person. You touch someone's facial web, you stretch in to feel their base. Through the act of the stretch, a mental astral matrix is formed, and that's sticking energy. And it's through that stick, now you have a conductive pathway to listen, and based on your experience, you're now able to translate or interpret what you're listening to. So this is the relationship of why sticking comes first. Now, to improve on this model, if you use seizing first, where you grab the fascia and connect to the base and then grab everything you can feel, you'll create an unconscious level of awareness that seizes and adheres on a much deeper level to the person's center of gravity, to their force, and so forth. So this seizing energy gives you deeper sticking, gives you deeper listening, gives you deeper interpreting. So you want to build each layer as a personality. You grab the person's arms, you stretch onto their base, you feel the base, and you seize and grab everything. You do this a few thousand times until you can separate your mind's ability to observe doing that from the act of doing it. The observer and the intenter separates until you just move your mind like a feather and you seize. And the unconscious mind moves the energy and does the action. And then you watch your mind moving like a feather to seize. And then when it comes to sticking, you'll have an automatic stick that's there as a byproduct of this subconscious personality, this layer. So you build a series of personalities or layers that develop a range of skills that will unconsciously organize themselves to develop higher level skills. So this process is a very intuitive one, but it's very logical, a type of intuitive intellect to it as well, where you're framing your learning process to a causal chain to create a particular karmic outcome. Okay, so I hope this helps with understanding this, the nature of the order of sticking before listening and interpreting, why it's done that way, and how seizing energy will actually speed up and deepen your ability to stick. Okay, thank you for your time. See you in the next video.